Hey everybody, so today I am going to show you some information on whiteboards. Whiteboards can be a great tool to use with your class. Most of these are designed for synchronous instruction, although there are some tools that I'm going to show you that will really work well for asynchronous instruction. The first one that I'm going to show you today is Google Jamboard. It's a Google Documents, part of the ecosystem of Google Documents. It means you can share it and save it in your Google Drive and share it using our familiar file sharing tools that you're used to using. The second one I'm going to show you guys is my view board. We're also going to talk about using Zoom. It has a whiteboard in it, so we'll talk about that. We're going to talk about some ways that you can use Google Slides as a whiteboard, and then we're going to wrap up today with a couple of other tools that have been recommended that I don't necessarily have a presentation on yet. If you find that you have a whiteboard or you have a tool that you really like to use, make me a screencast of it and send us the video, and we will put that in our Schoology classroom. So I'm going to do this a little different today. I'm going to break this down into sections, so this video is really just the introduction, but there will be separate videos for each piece.